Boil coconut milk with dark chocolate. Add rolled oats. Pour the mixture into the removable pan. Cool to room temperature. Grind the fruit in a blender with honey. Strain the juice. Pour into pitcher with ice. Fill the pitcher with sparkling water. Ideal no-bake creamy dessert. Mix in liquid whipping cream with powdered sugar and yogurt. Put the whipped cream on top of the biscuits. Cover the cream with another biscuit. Place the biscuits in a removable tray. Crack 5 eggs into the saucepan. Add sugar, starch, and vanilla sugar. Pour milk. Boil the cream while stirring continuously. Refrigerate the cream for an hour. Mix the milk cream with the cream cheese. Pour the cream over the biscuits. Place a layer of biscuits on top. Put in the fridge for an hour. Decorate the dessert with powdered sugar. Dip the biscuits in the milk. Place the biscuits in the pan. Melt dark chocolate with vegetable oil. Pour the chocolate over the biscuits. Cover with crackers. Mix in the whipped cream with powdered sugar and mascarpone. Divide the cream in half. Melt the white chocolate with vegetable oil. In a bowl, add the melted white chocolate. In another bowl, add Nutella. Pour the Nutella cream. Cover with crackers. Put the cream with white chocolate. Cover with crackers. In the fridge for an hour. Cover with chocolate frosting. Prepare milk with coffee. Decorate the cake with chopped walnuts and Kinder Bueno chocolates. In the fridge for 20 minutes. No-bake dessert ready in minutes. Break the biscuits into pieces. Melt the butter in the pan with sugar. Pour water into the saucepan. Melt 2 Milka milk chocolates. Pour the melted chocolate into the pan with the butter. Stir. Pour the frosting over the cookies and mix. Place the biscuits in a glass pan. Separate the whites from the yolks. Prepare the milk cream. Divide the cream into 2 equal parts. In one of the bowls with cream, add cocoa and mix. Pour the cocoa-free cream over the biscuits. Top with a layer of whole crackers. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Pour the cocoa cream on top. Place in the refrigerator for another 30 minutes. Melt dark chocolate. Pour the whipped cream over the melted chocolate and mix. Pour the frosting over the dessert. Place in the refrigerator for 5 hours. Separate the whites from the yolks. Mix the egg whites with sugar, yolks, flour, and lemon peel. Pour the batter into the baking pan. Bake for 45 minutes. Cut the sponge cake into 3 equal sheets. Stir in milk with vanilla sugar. Syrup the sponge cake with milk. Prepare the boiled cream. Chill for 45 minutes. Mix the cream. Spread the sponge sheets with cream. Sprinkle with coconut flakes. Decorate with grated white chocolate. Over strawberries. Add sugar. Grind with the blender. Pour strawberry juice. Add milk. The famous chocolate dessert. Place the cookies in the Ziploc bag. Crush the biscuits with the rolling pin. Fry the walnuts in the pan. Finely chop the walnuts. Boil milk. with orange peel and Nutella. Add butter. Pour over crackers and nuts. Place the mixture on baking paper. In the fridge for an hour. Melt the chocolate with vegetable oil. Roast the peanuts. Chop the peanuts with a knife. Add peanuts to chocolate. Put frosting on the roll. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Melt the white chocolate with vegetable oil. Add toasted peanuts. Put the white chocolate on the roll. In the fridge for an hour. The famous no-bake dessert that is going crazy around the world. Place Jaffa biscuits in the removable tray. Pour milk into the saucepan. Add sugar and starch dissolved in milk. 5 beaten eggs. Boil the cream until it thickens. Pour the cream into a bowl. Add cream cheese and mix well. Put the cream on top of the biscuits. Cover with another layer of biscuits. Place in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Decorate the dessert with powdered sugar. The famous yogurt cake. Separate the whites from the yolks. Mix the egg yolks with salt, powdered sugar, melted butter, vanilla essence. Add flour and baking powder. Knead a sandy dough. Put one part of the dough in the freezer. Spread the dough in the baking pan. Prepare the cherry filling. Stir in yogurt with starch. Mix the egg whites with salt and sugar. Mix the beaten egg whites with the cream. Pour the cream over the cherries. Sprinkle with grated pastry. Bake for an hour. Pour condensed milk into the glass. Add milk foam and coffee. Decorate with cocoa. The chocolate dessert everyone is talking about. Melt dark chocolate. Pour the whipped cream over the melted chocolate. Add butter and mix. Cover several small glass bowls with cream. Put in the fridge for 3 hours. Prepare the caramel. Leave the caramel to cool for 30 minutes. Finally chop the roasted peanuts and mix them with caramel. Place the caramel in the chocolate mold. Prepare the cream from liquid whipped cream and chocolate. Pour the cream into the chocolate mold. Prepare the sponge cake batter. Bake for 15 minutes. Cover the chocolate molds with sponge cake. Place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes.